How to find the Bank Muscat Swift code. So as you can see, I'm on a Wise website where you can find Swift or big codes in Oman. Now keep in mind I'll leave a link to this down in the description for you so you can check it out. Here you can type in the city name and then you can type in the bank name, in this case Muscat. Then you can see here all of the banks and you can see this is the one that I want to get the Swift code off, so click on this and then you can see we'll be on the wheel. See the branches of this, so we have 3 branches. I'll click on this one and now we can see here is the Swift code for that branch, and we can even copy that Swift code right away and SS had. Before you can also find other banks with this and other branches, so I'll make sure to leave a link to this down in the description for you, and that's how to find the Swift code of that's how to find the Bank Muscat Swift. Thank you for watching.